Hi guys, I show you how to convert simple video to 4K.
I take one video.
Go to adjust. Go to graph. Look how I'm do this graph. Go to effects. Go to video effects. Go to lens. Select blur. Drag to full video. Go to quality and select 108p. Click to export. Wait. Click the back button. Delete adjust. Delete blur. Press plus. Select your export video. Click on video. Click overlay. Click blend. Click burn. And adjust your video. Click plus. Go to stock videos. Select wide overlay. Click overlay. Click overlay. Adjust to your video. Drag to full video. And if you want your video look awesome, then do this. Done. Quick export. Thanks for watching.